The LG LRGL5825 gas range has an interesting array of unique options at $1349. The important ones do work. In this video, you'll learn the best features, including reliability based on real service calls, along with features that aren't as good. Like many manufacturers, LG has 5 burners on the top with the ability to griddle. You also have 2 high output burners at 17,000 BTU and one super hot at 20,000 BTU. Just as reference, 20,000 is high for even a $5,000 to $8,000 professional gas range. The other burners are average at 10,000, 9,100 with a dedicated simmer burner at 5,000 BTU. But the range does have unique features. The doors are InstaView, tap it twice to see into the oven. This feature is popular on their refrigerators. LG is also true convection, so the heat blows in from the rear for more even baking versus fan convection, like most other gas ranges where the fan blows the heat from the baking element at the bottom of the range. Their smart functionality is evolving past turning the range on or off and seeing the time remaining. With their cooking partners like Innit, Side Chef, and Tavala, you can program that recipe right into your range and have step-by-step instructions on the app. Lastly, LG is the most reliable brand sold at Yale. Gas ranges are no exception, being serviced only 4.4% of the time in the first year versus 6.4% average for gas ranges as a category. We've never been able to air fry with any range from any brand. The cavities are much larger than the portable air fryers, so it's hard to generate that airflow. Yes, you should definitely consider it. Sure, some of the modes don't work, and they don't work for any brand, but the important ones do. Namely, you have good output and the best convection system, plus smart technology, and most importantly, good reliability. Click the link to download our free gas cooking buying guide. Unfortunately, we all know someone who's been talked into buying the wrong appliance. Don't let that happen to you. Almost 1 million people have found the right answers in a Yale guide. Thanks for watching.